Has anyone ever used this before? The worst part of frying something is having to deal with the oil, and this seems too good to be true. Last night I made fried pickles. I had covered the pot. I could have just strained and reused the oil, but I didn't because I was lazy. So now it's gotta go. So it says hot oil, so I'm heating it back up. 1 scoop per cup. The thing I don't know, it says hot oil, but how hot? Because I'm having to reheat this the next day. Kramer came to say hi. He has thumbs. Back to the task at hand. For me, hot is boiling. We've exceeded boiling temperature. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stir until fully dissolved. Allow oil to cool completely. I'm not gonna make you wait for a part 2, but I am gonna have to come back to this. For you, it's been a second, but it's actually been like 4 hours. It's ice cold, and it appears that it worked. The last step is scoop hardened oil directly into garbage. Oh, you see that? Oh my goodness. Look at that! All right, well, I'm a believer. You get to live in the pantry.